Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Adan Saifullah. My instructor name is Sadaf Javed. Today my topic of discussion is uses of alkane, alkene, alkyne. So let's get started. Uses of alkanes. The organic compound known as alkane are used primarily as fuel, but their derivatives can be found in paints, plastics, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. Simplest alkanes are methane, ethane, propane, and butane. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. At room temperature, small alkane with 1 to 4 carbon are gases. Medium-sized alkanes with 5 to 12 carbon are liquid. Commercial uses of alkane, mostly used in production of polymers. It is used as intermediate in the synthesis of drug, pesticides, and other valuable chemicals, including ethanol, acetic acid, and vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is an organochlorine. General formula H2O double bond CHCl. It is colorless. It is used to produce polymer polyvinyl chloride. Agriculture uses of alkane. It is used as fossil fuel. It synthesizes fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate and superphosphate. Medication use of alkane. It is used to maintain alcohol abstinence in patients with alcohol dependence and ionic surfactant used in cosmetics and pharmaceutical as wetting agent and detergent. Natural gas and fuel. Many of natural gas sources used are hydrocarbons like methane, butane, and propane. Alkane uses plastic. Many of plastics we use in daily life and industry are made from long-chain monomers formed from petrochemicals. These petrochemicals are hydrocarbons of different chemical composition. Uses of alkene. Alkene are used as starting material for the manufacture of many compounds such as alkyl halide, ethylene oxide, and other alkanols, etc. Pharmaceutical uses. Many pharmaceuticals have alkene functionally. Many pharmaceuticals are prepared from alkenes such as halogenation, hydration, and hydrohalogenation. Vitamins. The vitamins form of the various forms of vitamin A including beta carotene are alkene and antioxidant found in tomatoes. Industrial importance. Used as starting material in synthesis of alcohol, plastics, detergents, and fuels. Alkenes for chemical industry are ethene, propene, and 1,3-butadiene. Common uses. Ethene is used in preparation of solvents like ethylene, glycol, dioxane, etc. Artificial ripening. Alkene is used as artificial ripening of fruits as general anesthetic for making poisonous mustard gas. This gas is also used in wars and ethylene oxygen flame. Uses of alkyne. They are unsaturated hydrocarbons. They contain carbon-carbon triple bond. Industrial importance. Alkynes are used as starting material for the manufacture of large number of organic compounds of industrial importance such as chloroprene, vinyl chloride, etc. Rocket fuel. Acetylene is overriding alkyne. It is used as fuel where many kilograms are produced every year by fractional oxidation of natural gas. Making organic compound. Some of these alkynes are used for making organic compounds such as ethanoic acid and ethanol. Organic solvent. Alkyne, for instance, ethyne are used for preparation of organic solvent. Anti-tumor agent. Many alkynes are dangerous for humans when used in pharmaceuticals. Many alkynes are known as endynes, hold are very strong and aggressive anti-tumor compound. For example, calicimycin. Drug production. Alkynes are used in the manufacture of many drugs on the market such as antiretroviral. Thank you.